You are going to love the 2020 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.